Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ako po ay nagpabilik sa inyong paningin. Ito na naman po ang inyong pangtang vlogger. Anyway guys, ang content po natin for today is we're gonna bake a banana nut chocolate muffin. Okay, let's prepare the ingredients. So our ingredients guys is we have walnut, 2 eggs, cup of chocolate chip, oil, banana. That banana is brown because I mashed it last night, and I add 2 more because I already had 2. And then I have 2 cup of flours and a half teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of baking powder and 2 pins of cinnamon. So let's start baking. So now let's start mashing these 2 bananas. Pasensya na kayo sa ilong ko. Medyo alam na, hindi naman ako sinisipon na have a runny nose. Okay. So let's add, we're gonna need brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. You can add more if you want more sweeter. So let's add egg, 2 eggs, so we're gonna add 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and to this we need to add half tablespoon of vanilla, half tablespoon of imitation flavor of banana. This is just optional guys. So we have this 2 cup of flours, half teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder, and maybe 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're gonna add this mixture, liquid mixture, in here. And then we need to mix. Okay. And we now put the chocolate, cup of chocolate there. Okay. Then we need to start to put this on a cupcake, in a molder. Ang kulang ata ng chocolate. So ayan na guys, we're ready to, we're just gonna use, we are using steamer, and yung steamer po natin ay kanina kulo. Ayan, naka-on na po yan. So lalagay na po natin ang ating mga cupcakes. So ito na po ang ating takip. Nilagyan ko po ng ganyan para yung moisture hindi po tumulo sa ating butter. Okay, so check na lang po natin maya. In 15 minutes our cupcake will be ready. Okay guys, so maya ulit. Okay guys, you need to check our banana nut muffin cupcake. Let's see. Oh, ready yummy na. It's done. Look good, huh? Look yummy. Look guys, look yummy.
Hindi ko sinatawag.
Tagi ako.
Ah, kala ko ako.
You know?
Ano ka?
Christian.
Hmm.
Hati kami ng pamangking ko. Ito yung pamangking ko. Say hi to my vlog. Hi guys.
Prepared.
Ito na. Okay guys, that's all our vlog for today. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and click that notification bell para kayo ay ma-update sa aking video na ina-upload. Until next time, thank you very much. God bless. Mwah. Abik sa muffin. Ayan o. Kakabake ko lang. Mainit pa. Super yummy.
Hajisi ito natin?
Hmm?
Hajisi?
I-upload ko pa lang.